You're not going to want to miss today's video, as I've got some amazing new releases that just hit our website at sewyours.com. First up, I wanted to share with you the star of the show and something that I have been personally working on over the last several months, and that is the design of our brand new exclusive 1-inch wide purse chain extenders. So these are available in sets of 2, 4 finishes. We've got nickel, light gold, gunmetal, and rose gold. They measure 6.5 inches in length, and they add a lot of class and sparkle to all your handmade bags. Just look at the light gold chain extenders on the Iris shoulder bag that Sharon made for us. It features our cozy knit embossed vinyl as well as the accompanying solid vinyl, and boy does this make for a classy handbag. And in this example, I took the Laverna crossover, took off the figure 8 strap connector hardware that it calls for in the pattern, decided to quilt this with my own design, added some piping, and added the gunmetal purse chain extenders. And this is such a classy looking bag. It's sharp with the contrasting piping. So here we have our faux leather in the color gray, paired that with our gray Savannah suede for the piping, used our gray zipper tape that matches the Savannah suede, and then did all of the gunmetal hardware with it. So as you can see, this really takes any handbag to the next level. Your customers are going to love the purse chain extenders, and I know you're going to love them on your own personal handbags as well. Next up, we have 2 brand new colors in our CrocPop Vinyl. We've got our Blueberry Bite and our Toasted Almond. That completes all of the hues in our collection of the CrocPop Vinyl. So now we have 7 stunning shades. And lastly, we have a brand new printed vinyl for you. This is Bloom After Dark, and I brought this in a brand new texture called Saffiano. It is a crosshatch-like texture, and I think this one might be my favorite thus far. So if you guys are familiar, we started off with pebble texture vinyl, then we brought in our cracked texture vinyl, and this is the Saffiano texture. See, didn't I tell you I had some great stuff to share with you today? You can shop all of our brand new releases on our website at sewyours.com. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, bye-bye.